Hello Artsy friends! This is Artsy Joycee. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let me share how to personalize a shirt. Let's hop onto Cricut Design Space, and on the hamburger menu, let's select Cricut Joy for our machine. And then, let's select a new canvas and click the Image tab and search for Cricut logo. I prefer the first image, and I am also sharing this project on the description box below. I would also like to use the contour tool to remove the pieces from this image that I don't want to cut out. And then, I'll just select the circle to reveal my design. After which, I will resize the design by clicking the width button under the Edit tab. And now, let's make it! We will be using an iron-on material, so let's click the mirror button and let's make it! Thereafter, I will be selecting the glitter iron-on as our material. To prepare my iron-on, always place it shiny side down to the mat. Now, let's weed out the negative pieces to reveal our design. Now, let's hop onto Cricut Heat Guide and let's select glitter iron-on as our material and polyester as our base material. Through this, we will know our heat settings. Now, let's turn on our Easy Press tool and preheat it to 165 degrees centigrade. Now, I am preheating my material for 5 seconds to remove moisture. And now, I am making sure that I am centering my material to our shirt. Now, I place my iron-on face down and liner up and a protective sheet over it and press it with firm pressure at 165 degrees centigrade for 30 seconds. And when it's cool to touch, I will slowly remove the liner to reveal our design. And this is our finished project. And if you like more Cricut crafts and tutorials, please like and subscribe. And see you on the next one. Bye!